How to download songs in Spotify. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you download songs in Spotify. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Spotify with your account. Alright, so after you open the Spotify with your account, you'll got such interface. So from here, make sure that you have the premium version of your Spotify account. So after you confirm that, you'll have to just tap on the create option just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from here, go with the option playlist. Okay, so simply from here, you can easily create your playlist on Spotify. So simply you have to tap on this create option. Alright, so simply from here, you'll have to add the songs on this playlist. So simply tap on this add to this playlist. Alright, so simply from here, you can add your desired and specific songs from here. So simply I'm adding this from here. Alright, so after you added multiple songs on your playlist, you'll have to just back from here and you have to go the option your library just at the bottom of this screen. Alright, so now from this your library section, you'll be able to find your playlist here. So simply you have to choose the playlist. Alright, so now from the playlist section on the upper side, you'll get options like download. So simply click on this download icon. Alright, so as I have already told you that these features will only work or allow you to download the songs in Spotify with the premium account only. So you have to explore the premium version of Spotify. So if you have the Spotify premium ID, you can easily download the musics from Spotify. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.